Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to replace the battery on your AirTag. It's a very easy process, doesn't really take too much time, but we're going to have to switch our AirTag over to the opposite side. Now it doesn't really matter which way the AirTag is facing, but let's just say the Apple logo is looking at you. What we're going to do is going to press down on the AirTag with both of our thumbs. We're going to then turn it the opposite side, so clockwise or counterclockwise, and then we're going to be able to pick this metal portion up and then take out the battery and replace the battery. So this is essentially what it looks like. You want to push down on both sides on your thumb until it presses in. You then want to turn the AirTag like this until it cannot turn anymore. So you can see it's stuck. I can still turn it this way. I cannot turn it this way though. Then you want to let go and you will essentially see that this little metal portion is able to be lifted up out of the way. And you can see that we now have the battery right here. Now I don't know why it's so blurry. There we go. Now at this point, all you have to do is take out the battery like this. You replace it, let's say you have a new one right here. All you have to do then is go ahead and put the battery exactly like how it's supposed to be in. So place it just like so. You'll be able to hear the AirTag pretty much turn on. And then all you have to do is pretty much put the AirTag back into place just like so. You're going to essentially press down again. And all you have to do is essentially press into place, turn back around, it pretty much push both thumbs down, and you'll basically be able to put it back into place. And that is essentially how you replace the battery on your AirTag. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.